हेलो ऑल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मेमोरी टेक्निकल। दोस्तों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू सेशन अबाउट Jenkins, and this is about demo project. In last tutorial I shared with you demo project. Today also I will share with you demo project. So the basically agenda is about how we can use our Jenkins tool to deploy application, or you can say using up this Jenkins tools, how we can uh, install package on server. So friends, as you know, in Jenkins series, I have already shared with you 4 tutorials, where the first one is about Jenkins overview. Secondly, it is Jenkins installation on cloud server, that is AWS. Third one is about Jenkins installation on container, Docker container. Fourth one is about Jenkins demo project. So friends, this is the fifth tutorial where I will share with you demo project that on Jenkins tool using of execution shell build in shell execution. So this is about also the demo project where I will show you two demo project. The first one is about a file creation, that is simple project, freestyle project. And secondly, I will install a package, but using of Jenkins tool. One more thing, friends, as you know, because of I have already shared with you the Jenkins installation, Jenkins implementation of server as well as container platform. So for this, I have not added in this tutorial because of it takes time. So of course, I have already set up Jenkins on a VM virtual machine. So you guys able to see this is a Ubuntu desktop. It is not only the server, it actually desktop interface, and which is running on VirtualBox. So I will tell you, I have already launched a virtual machine on VirtualBox using the ISO file of Ubuntu, that means Ubuntu. You can see in left side top corner that Ubuntu running. So Ubuntu is the host name. When I was installing, you can say when I was doing setup Ubuntu VM on the VirtualBox, so I put the host name is Ubuntu. After that, after installation of VM and successfully launch, then I have already installed Jenkins. So let me log in this Ubuntu share desktop. So you can see it is showing here Ubuntu. So it is a username, password. I have entered the password. Okay, friends. So let me first open that terminal. So type here the terminal, and so here you can see this is the host name and it is a username. Okay. So let me first check either Jenkins is running or not because I already installed Jenkins. Just let me check that Jenkins status. So system CTL status Jenkins. So you guys can see that it is showing here in running an active status. Control C. So as you know, to get to access the Jenkins or web browser, we need a IP of this server. Because of it, because this is a VM actually, which is running on VirtualBox. So how we can know, you can say to know the IP of a server on Linux operating system, there is simple one command IP address. Okay. I cannot see that IP4. It is showing here enter INET 6. So friends, let me reboot this one server. I actually reboot this server. It will take some time to reboot completed and get up in running status, come up in running status activity. So friends, this is the fifth tutorial about Jenkins series. Later then in next series, oh no, next tutorial, series will be same that is Jenkins. In next tutorial, I will share with you the demo project, but using the SCM, that is source code management, that is Git. Okay. Okay. So now my server has been successfully rebooted, and you guys can see that I am now on home page, here login page. Click on here. Let me enter the password. So let me open the terminal. Click here. Okay, so IP address. Mm, This time I get the IP. I was my eyes was searching for this IP, but that time I don't know why it was not showing this IP, actually interface IP. So this is the IP for this server. Okay, yeah, we can say operating system. It is just like the desktop version. So this is the IP which is accessible. We get access to this machine. We can say if you don't want to access this machine, so using this IP machine can other access to this server. But yeah, of course, it cannot be like directly access because there is some security applied on this server. Okay, so let me take this copy IP and because now I'm going to access Jenkins on web browser. So and as you know, Jenkins default run port number 8080. Start a new session because let me log in with a fresh login. This Jenkins. One more thing, this username password. So everything I have covered in previous session. Once I think it is session number two or three, of course, yes, where I shared with you the complete the process setup of Jenkins on a server. So how how to define that username, how to define that password, everything is there. So for this, where guys, for those guys who are like who are watching this tutorial, so I would like to say you must be uh, gone through that all of the videos of this Jenkins series. So there are step by step. So it will be easy for you, okay, to have the understanding of from being starting. So let me look in this, and also let me open that terminal, which is already open. Okay, friends. So first, now I'm going to create a demo project. In previous tutorial, I shared also demo project with you all, but the thing is different. That moment, that actually the all operation like uh, creation of file, whatever I was doing in previous tutorial, it was all of activities was doing in at actually Jenkins directory only. Okay. So first let me do run on the demo project. So it will be understanding what I'm doing here. So click on the new item. Demo project first. Okay. Freestyle. Okay. Now in general, so once you click on the demo project, once you like are going to create a project, whatever you want to define that project name, demo project. So in left side, you can able to see there are options: configure, general, source code management, build triggers, build environment, build steps, post, build action. So for me today, I will just uh, define in general about the project description. I will not use this source code management because I told you this is a demo project, only simply freestyle project using a execute cell. Okay, so I will not use this. Even I will not use this, and this as well. Okay, I will do changes here in build steps. So let me define first here general. So I will write down here like this is a, demo project. Now scroll down. So you can see in left side you are seeing here these are the options. So parallelly in right side are the same but with the description and for and defining as well. Okay, whatever you want to define. Okay, so in general there's source code management. So yes, this is the source code management. Okay, so as I told you, I will not select any source code management. So it is by default selected and none. Then build triggers. So of course this is a build triggers, but I will not do here in this build environment. Okay, I will not touch this as well. But yes, as I told you in build steps, I will select here execute cell. Okay, now ls. Okay, leave it. Just I want to run the present working directory. I will tell you later what is the like why I'm doing why I'm going to do fire this command present working directory pwd, that is present working directory. Save. Once you click on the save, so status changes workspace build now. Now you want to run this project. Yeah, you can say now you want to run this job in Jenkins. Simply once you uh, create any project, so you are also like doing a job. Okay, job here in these terms like you are doing any work. Okay, so in Jenkins term you can also say a job. Okay, so in demo project now I want to run this script, whatever I have defined in cell. Okay, so build now. Once you click on the build now, so the result will be showing here. Okay, it has been successfully run. Now I want to go click or here, click on this and console output. So actually I want to see that what is the directory path. That's why I fire this command. Okay, so I will copy this and let me open this file. Friends, you can see started by user my YouTube channel Lenmark Technical. Okay, So please like and subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed till now. Okay. Now let me tell you this just to take the path of my Jenkins user directory. Just then I fired that in that project I use this script. Okay, present working directory. But the project actually the demo project will start from here now. What? So I want to create actually in desktop. If you see here, let me show you. This is the desktop interface. Once I because I am running this as a Ubuntu, I have login as a Ubuntu user. This system, click on Ubuntu and select on desktop. Okay, you can see the folder is empty. So here you can see nothing is here. No, there is no any test file. But I want to create a test file with help of Jenkins. So of course, if I want to create a new file in desktop, so let me log in this show you. Okay, ls cd desktop. Okay, so because I'm talking actually this directory. Okay, in desktop you can see there is no any file, but I want to create a file, test file with help of Jenkins. Okay, either I can simply run the I can simply fire the command touch and to create any empty file and the file name. But I want to do with help of Jenkins. Okay, so how I can do? Let me tell you. Uh, I actually first, so let me take present working directory. So let me take the path of this directory, copy and okay, paste here. So what I will do, I will go on here, my demo project, and if I want to modify this existing project, so it is possible. Either I can create a new project. So let me do changes. Yeah, let me do edit this project, yeah, this job. So meantime, you guys able to see both work in this way because if I will create a new project, so I already share with you how we can new project. Okay, but here I can share with you that also one more like knowledge about it, how we can modify our existing project. So for this one, we have to go and click on this configure and just go on here. Let now it you guys able to understand because if I will create a file, let's suppose touch any file, okay, like file, okay, simply file.txt. But friends, this file will be created on Jenkins directory, okay, Jenkins directory. But I want to create a file here in this directory, okay. I think you guys are getting what I'm going to do here. So for this, what I will do, I will firstly go on that directory. Or as you know in Linux, to change the directory, the simple command cd and directory path. So let me take the directory path, copy and paste here. Wait. Okay. Then simply the fire command touch with sudo and file name. Okay, save. Now friends, I will minimize this and once this job or this project will be successfully run, you guys able to see the file will be created here on this desktop. Okay, let me run this now. You guys see. So hope आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग समझ रहे होंगे मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया ना कि एक्चुअली मैं जेनकिंस से जेनकिन की हेल्प से मैं एक फाइल डॉट टेस्ट क्रिएट करना चाहता था बट क्या है कि अगर मैं सिंपली वहां पे जैसा मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि इफ आई जस्ट फायर द कमांड टच एंड फाइल नेम सो दिस फाइल वी क्रिएटेड द जेनकिंस डायरेक्टरी ओके बट मैं चाहता था कि वो फाइल जो है जेनकिन डायरेक्टरी क्रिएट ना होके ये उबंटू के होम पेज में डेस्कटॉप पे ये फाइल क्रिएट हो जाए तो मुझे क्या करना था इसको डायरेक्टरी को चेंज करना था विच डायरेक्टरी दिस इज द डायरेक्टरी पाथ एक्चुअली होम उबंटू डेस्कटॉप वन मोर थिंग एक बात मैं और बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने कुछ चेंजेस भी किए थे वो चेंजेस क्या हैं कि बिकॉज दिस एग्जीक्यूशन इज गोइंग ऑन by the user Jenkins actually. Okay, it was not executed by the Ubuntu user. If you guys see in, let me show you. Okay, प्लीज ज्यादा समझ में आएगा कि मैं क्या बताना चाहता हूँ आप इसे कंसोल आउटपुट में देख सकते हैं ठीक है guys can see the console output started by user okay running as a system so this command had been executed by the Jenkins user remember not by the Ubuntu user सो एक्चुअली क्या है मुझे जेनकिंस यूजर को सारी प्रिविलेज भी देनी थी बिकॉज वो फाइल क्रिएशन करना एज ए क्योंकि आप एक नॉर्मल यूजर से फाइल नहीं क्रिएट कर सकते जब तक कि उसको एक अगर अदर आप यू नीड टू रन विद sudo privilege अदर यू हैव द रूट यूजर रूट privileges meanwhile a normal user cannot create a file अगर एक यूजर को अगर लिनक्स सिस्टम पे कोई नॉर्मल यूजर है तो फाइल नहीं क्रिएट कर सकता अदरवाइज अगर वो उसको रूट 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 प्रिविलेज ना हो आई मीन टू से उसको एक रूट यूजर की प्रिविलेज ना हो ठीक है तो पहले मैंने उसको जेनकिंस को एक रूट प्रिविलेज दिया हुआ था ठीक है उसको कैसे दिया तो मैं आपको अभी दिखा भी देता हूँ कंफ्यूज ना तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा मैं सीडी करूँगा पहले मैं इसको रूट यूजर से लॉग इन करता हूँ वी आई एस यू टू आप यहाँ देख सकते हो मैं इसको आपको ऐसे दिखाता हूँ ये देखो मैंने रूट यूजर को देखो सारी प्रिविलेज होती है यू कैन सी दैट root user has having all the permission so Jenkins and now what I have set it Jenkins and no password slash all meanwhile if I will run any command if I will run any command with Jenkins user so no need to define no need to set any password because I have given the root privilege up to Jenkins user so once I fire the command with sudo so it will not ask to set like password for Jenkins and command will be run execute successfully. Okay guys, hope you have understand what I have done it in the first demo project. The first demo project was simply to create a file, but not the Jenkins directory. Okay, it was in the Ubuntu main homepage directory. You can say that main system admin directory because I have launched this VM as a Ubuntu user, so Ubuntu is running as a admin. Secondly, what I will do here, uh, now I will install a package. Okay, so let me create a demo project, second demo project. Okay, so just click on new item. Before it, I let me show you. What I can. systemctl docker status. Okay, you can see that once I am checking the Docker status, so it is showing unknown operator Docker. So first let me install this Docker package and it will be installed. But yes, I will do this process with help of Jenkins. So how you can do? So again, I'm going to create a demo project with select free demo style, free style actually, sorry, freestyle project. This is the second project and no need to touch anything. Just click on the build step, add build execute cell. So again, I want to create the Docker. I want to install a Docker package on the admin home directory. So for this one again, let me change the directory because if let me tell you, if I will just define the command of package installation, so this package either Docker package will be installed in the Jenkins directory. Again, I'm telling you, so don't get it confused. So cd and paste. Okay, if I want to let me do one thing, present working directory, then cd, then directory path where are you want to switch. Oh, then again I will fire the command present directory. So the output of this PWD and output of this PWD, they will be different. Okay, for you guys to understand what I'm doing here. Okay, now let me install the package. So sudo apt install code.io-y systemctl dot docker systemctl enable docker. Let me save it and run this job. So you guys can see job is already running. If there is no any error, if there is no any like problem with this setup commands, so it will be successfully installed and it will show here as a green. Let's hope it should be like what I am telling you successfully done. Is it taking some time because this time I am doing a package installation. So installing a package, some you can say it is taking time in comparison of file creation because file creation just simply touch and file name it is a empty file creation. So in comparison of the file creation, installing a package, it is some take long taking time process. That's why it's taking time. Okay. What happened here? Then ज्यादा ही कुछ ले लिया. तो इसमें बेसिकली सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ आपको बता देता हूँ कि मैंने पहले फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट में क्या किया था कि मैंने एक फाइल क्रिएट की थी. ठीक है. बट मैं जेनकिंस की डायरेक्टरी पे ना क्रिएट करके जो हमारा सिस्टम का एडमिन डायरेक्टरी है होम स्लैश उबंटू स्लैश डेस्कटॉप वहाँ पे मुझे फाइल क्रिएट करनी थी. सीन ये था कि जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम आपको इसके पहले ट्यूटोरियल दिखाया था तो उसमें फाइल क्रिएट हुई थी पर वो जेनकिन डायरेक्टरी हुई थी इसलिए हमें जेनकिन डायरेक्टरी पे इस डायरेक्टरी पे स्विच होना था. तो सिंपली मैंने cd और डायरेक्टरी का पाथ डाल दिया. स्विच होने के बाद तब मैंने फाइल क्रिएट की. एक चीज़ और है जैसे मैंने बताया कि अब मुझे चूंकि जेनकिन यूजर्स की मैं हेल्प से कर रहा था तो जेनकिन यूजर को मुझे एक रूट प्रिविलेज देनी थी ताकि वो सारे काम कर सके इजीली. अब यू गाइस कैन सी देयर इज एरर समथिंग. व्हाट इज एरर हियर? It is showing here. Okay, there is some problem. Failed to start Docker the service. Interactive authentication required. Hmm. Okay. Let me go back here and configure this. Let me check the shell script what I defined here. Let me add the sudo command. And this time I will not use this one because I think this Docker package had been successfully installed. So no need to fire this command. Let me check. Save and build now. Yes. You can see guys here this time it is showing a green, so hope it has been successfully run. And you can see the console output and it is finished success. So friends, I just told you earlier 2 minutes, yeah, 1 minute ago, 1 minute, in 5 minutes just before, that the output of PWD, that time it was, this present working directory is showing here, Jenkins directory actually, while Jenkins workspace and demo project group. But once I change the directory here, and then I fire the command present working directory, it is showing here home ubuntu desktop. Actually मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ दोस्त कि जब फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने pwd कमांड चलाया प्रेजेंट वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी, तो ये जेनकिंस का डायरेक्टरी पाथ दिखा रहा है जहाँ पे डेमो प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट हुआ है एक्चुअली। बट मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि मुझे ये एडमिन के जो ubuntu जिससे हमने लॉगिन किया है उसके डेस्कटॉप पे मुझे ये पैकेज इंस्टॉल करना था। तो उसके लिए मुझे पहले डायरेक्टरी को चेंज होना था, डायरेक्टरी भी स्विच होना था। तो मैंने सीडी से चेंज डायरेक्टरी से उस डायरेक्टरी का पार्ट डाल दिया। फिर मैंने आपको ये दिखाने के लिए कि आपकी कंफ्यूजन ना हो कि देखो ये डायरेक्टरी का पाथ बदल गया, फिर मैंने जब पीडब्ल्यू कमांड फायर किया तो यहाँ से ये वाला आउटपुट ये आ गया, क्योंकि हम अब जो जेनकिंस यूजर था वो आपकी इस डायरेक्टरी पे स्विच हो चुका था। उसके बाद पैकेज हमारा इंस्टॉल हो गया और सक्सेसफुल हो गया, लेकिन मुझे वेरीफाई करना है। लेट मी डू वेरीफाई दैट दिस docker has been successfully installed and running or not. Okay, so now let me open the terminal and let me fire the same command, systemctl docker status. Hmm. Wait. Friends, you guys can see here, this is active running. And one more thing, guys, you guys, आप लोगों को confusion हो, just for to verify, you can see this is running since 4 minutes just ago. So what I have done just in the Jenkins tool. Meanwhile, the Docker has been recently installed. Don't think like it was success. It was previously installed on the server. Okay. So hope guys आप लोगों ने समझा कि आज वाले ट्यूटोरियल में मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने दो प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट किया था। फर्स्ट डेमो प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने एक फाइल क्रिएट की थी एंड सेकंड डेमो प्रोजेक्ट मैंने ये पैकेज डॉकर इंस्टॉल किया है। ओके, let me do one thing. Now I want to see and I want to do remove this package. Okay, so I can do also from Jenkins. How? Again go on this demo project too. Okay, तो ये इसको मैं और क्लियर करता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए। Configure and this time and one more thing, each and every time Once I am going to modify this directory, modify this job, modify this project. So you have to fire this command, because by default, if I will remove this, okay, so by default, it will again run this command in the Jenkins directory. Now what I will do here, sudo apt, and you guys know in Linux system, if you want to remove any package, there is a simple command on the Debian package, apt remove and package name -y. Simply, if you want to install the package, so apt install. If you want to remove the package, so apt remove. apt actually advanced package manager actually है. So sudo apt remove docker data flow. And now build now. Friends, now able to see after some time the outputs will be different. Okay. Yes. You can see in Act 2 after that sometime output will be different. Let me see the what about the Jenkins. Okay. Console output. Yes, so Docker has been successfully removed. So now you can see here it is showing inactive and dead. So friends, hope you enjoy this tutorial and दोस्तों यार प्लीज आपको अगर कुछ सीखते हैं और इस ट्यूटोरियल से और मेरे YouTube चैनल से, तो प्लीज अगर अभी तक आपने लाइक नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए और वीडियोस को लाइक करिए. रियली मुझे एक एनर्जी देता है. एंड थैंक यू ऑल.